How is it going, everybody? My name is Jared from Debaroo.com, and we have another video on a different paid advertising platform. So today we're going to be talking about Snapchat ads. And so when we're talking about different ads platforms, we really hear about the big ones over and over again. We hear about Facebook, we hear about Instagram, we hear about Google and Bing. But what about all these other little guys? Why don't we hear anything about them? Sometimes it's not that they don't have a good ads platform or that they don't have a good audience. It's just people haven't really found the best way to tap into them yet. I think that's more or less the case here with Snapchat ads. Right now, big, huge brands that are spending millions and millions of dollars on advertising are pretty much the ones that are dominating Snapchat. But what about the little guys that want to do affiliate marketing? Is there an opportunity for us to capitalize on Snapchat ads? And I think at some point there's going to be more opportunity. Right now it's kind of hard to get things approved on Snapchat ads, but that doesn't mean that you cannot use them at all. I think that there's definitely an opportunity for us here, and it is 100% worth a try. So with that being said, this video is being made possible by the AFK Forum. So right now I'm just in my Snapchat ads manager. I have on multiple occasions tried setting up some Snapchat ads, and I've gotten some interesting results. Sometimes my ads just will not get approved at all because Snapchat has some pretty strict advertising policies. So if you break any of those rules, they're going to disapprove your ads, and it's just going to be really hard to get things approved after that. So we're going to go over the types of Snapchat ads that you have access to, and we're also going to go over some of the advertising policies so that you can make sure you stay compliant and you can get your ads approved. After that, we'll just pick a quick product, and I'll show you how to actually go about setting up the campaign inside of the ads manager. So the first thing we'll look at is the complete list of Snapchat ad types. So if you're a small guy, and if you're watching this video, most likely you're a small guy, and you just want to do some affiliate marketing, you really only have one option, and that is Snap ads. The other two, which are sponsored geofilters and sponsored lenses, I would say more likely than not, larger companies with those huge advertising budgets will be taking advantage of those. So what's left is Snap ads. And as you can see, Snap ads are short, full screen videos that can appear in Discovery after a user's story or in live stories. So just in case you don't know what Snapchat is, it's pretty much you can send pictures to your friends, and then you can have Snap stories, which are similar to Facebook stories or Instagram stories if you have seen those. So when you're tapping through your friend's Snapchat story, in between two friends, you might have an ad in between those, similar to what you would see on Instagram. It says right here, Snap ads don't offer as much engagement as other ad formats, and users can click away from them pretty quickly. And that's true, but it's the same kind of system that you would have on Instagram. So if you saw an Instagram story ad, then you could just tap on it and you would go on to the next one, and you could swipe through them pretty quickly. So it's literally the same exact thing where you can swipe up on these Snap ads and you'll be taken to whatever destination it is that you set in your ads manager. There are some specs that you do have to adhere to, and these are videos. With Instagram ads you could do images, but these are almost always going to be videos because that's what blends in with the platform. It's pretty much all videos. So it's got to be 1080 pixels by 1920 pixels. That's an aspect ratio of 9:16, and it has to be an MP4, MOV, or an H.264 encoded video format. Keep in mind the audio requirements, and then it has to be 3 to 10 seconds long. So these are super short videos, not super hard to make, but when we're doing this for affiliate products, then it does require a little bit of video editing. I'm not going to go into how to create the video in this one, but I might make a separate video going over how to create these types of videos. And then just keep in mind the file size has to be 32 megabytes or less. So now on to Snapchat's advertising policies. So I'm not going to go over all of these obviously, but I just want to go over some of the sections. If you look at 5 and 6 over here, there are prohibited content and restricted content. So, I mean, these are going to be pretty standard across advertising platforms. They have to protect themselves. They have to protect their users. So they can't have anything, no infringing content, no deceptive content. So deceptive content would be like saying one thing in your ad, and then when they swipe up, going to something like a completely different website. No hateful or discriminatory content, no inappropriate content, and then all of these, which are pretty similar to Facebook, no alcohol, financial products and services. So they don't want to see any make money online kind of offers. Keep that in mind when you're scrolling through Clickbank trying to find an offer. No food products, which is kind of interesting. I don't know why no food products. No gambling, no dating services. Keep that in mind. So you can go through these policies beforehand if you want to make sure that you are staying compliant. So back over in our Snapchat Ads Manager, we have to pick a product. So what kind of demographic is on Snapchat? Well, it is young people. Snapchat is probably the youngest social media of all of them. So definitely younger than Facebook. I would say younger or around the same demographic, but most likely younger than Instagram. When I say young, these people are, like 12 to 13, probably around the youngest. Probably even goes a little bit younger, up until maybe around 25-year-olds is getting around the oldest. Of course, you're going to have people who are above 30 like that. You're going to have a few of those, but you're not going to have a lot. I would say the main demographic is people aged like 13 to 15 to 25. And that's not the greatest age range for selling affiliate products because these people don't have money. So we really have to think about something that can appeal to them, or we have to use a product that doesn't require them to buy anything, such as a lead generation offer or a sweepstakes offer. Only problem with sweepstakes offers is that they will most likely not accept leads from people that young because they won't be able to monetize off of them. So we're left with a few options, and we'll go to Clickbank and see if we can find something that works for Snapchat. So I'm in the marketplace and I want something that young people can relate to. So maybe I'll go over to games and see what I can find over here. So the first one that pops up right here is video game tester jobs, get paid to play games. And I was thinking about products that I could promote, and this was literally the only one that I could think of off of Clickbank. And I'm not saying 100% that it'll work. I'm not even saying 100% that it'll get approved, but I think this would probably have the best opportunity to get some sales off of Snapchat ads based on who is using them on a daily basis. So we'll just click promote, generate hop links, and we'll copy that and save it for later. So right now we will go ahead and start setting up the campaign, going over the various targeting options that we have and the campaign objectives as well. So let's just click on create campaign, and we have two options, quick and easy and advanced create. So let's just go quick and easy because I like things that are quick and easy. So as you can see, we have the different campaign objectives over here. So you can do a story ad, which has like multiple videos after each other, a collection ad, which would show a collection of products, but we don't have that. So we're going to stick with the basic snap ad. This top snap creative is either a video or an image. So that's something to keep in mind, is you can also do an image and can support a variety of swipe up actions. So of course we'll name this game tester, and so the brand name is the brand name to be displayed in the ad, so that'll show up like right over here. So we'll go with something like get paid to play. It's a little clickbaity, but hopefully it'll get approved by Snapchat. And then we'll need a headline, which will get displayed right underneath this, so I'll come up with a headline. Okay, so I changed it up a little bit. So the brand name is going to be gaming jobs, and headline is going to be get paid to play games. You only have 34 characters to work with for the headline, so you got to keep that a little bit short. You can enable a snap pixel. I don't have one, so this will help keep track of the data and keep track of the people that are clicking through your ads. And I guess I want it to be shareable because people can send this to their friends, and that could just help us get some more organic interactions. So right here is where you would upload your creative. So this would either be the video or it would be an image, which you can also use. Just keep in mind the specifications that I went over before. So once you upload that, you have to use an attachment. So an attachment could be a website, another long form video, app install, deep link, or AR lens. So of course we want to choose website because we're going to redirect them over to either a landing page or we'll just send them directly over to the affiliate offer. You can also specify the call to action, which is at the bottom over here. So instead of more, so here are some other options that you have, besides more, but more is probably a good fit for our offer. So we add the website URL. I just put in the affiliate link from the previous step. With Snapchat, it's going to be almost 100% necessary to use a bridge page in between the ad and the affiliate offer. So I have a couple of videos where I set up landing pages, and you might want to go through those. I set up all my landing pages in ClickFunnels, and I would just do a simple 2-question quiz that qualifies this person. It would probably be something like, how often do you play video games, and would you be interested in getting paid to play those games? They would answer those 2 questions, and then they would get sent right over to the affiliate offer. Next step is the targeting. So it pre-fills the United States. I think that's a good place to start. I wouldn't go 13. I would probably go 20 or 21 at the youngest. All genders is fine. Don't need to restrict it by age because we are already doing this 20 to 35 plus. And for interests, we'll just type in something like gaming, and we can just include this audience right here. And now we have an audience size of about 12 million people. So it's going to be pretty huge, but we might be able to get some good data from this. For duration and budget, I like about $20 a day. Of course, our goal is to just get them to swipe up and get as many people as possible through our funnel. For bid, you can either set a max bid or a target cost, or you can just go auto bid, and I think that's a good place to start. You can always change this later. Like if you wanted to put this to target cost, then this would be like, I don't know, 10 cents per swipe up. And if you think that's a reasonable amount, you can set that there, or you could just let Snapchat decide for you, because 10 cents might be too low, and then you won't get any swipe ups at all. But when that's all set, you can just see your statistics right here, bidding 10 cents per swipe up, $20 per day, 33 to 61 swipe ups per day. Of course, your ad needs to be approved by their team, and the ad approval process is pretty quick. It's probably equatable to what it takes for Facebook to do it. A couple hours, I guess 24 hours at most, worst case scenario. But when you're all set, just hit create my ad, and it will go into that approval process. So that is what you can expect to see when you go and set up your Snapchat ads. Keep in mind that you might have to set up more than one before you get an ad that is approved. I've had a lot of ads get disapproved, so you just have to work around with that and make sure that you're meeting all of their requirements and not breaking any of their policies. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember that this was made possible by the AFK Forum. The AFK Forum is the most dedicated affiliate marketing forum you will find. Whether you're looking to make your first dollar online or scale your agency from 6 to 7 figures, the AFK Forum offers everything you need. From custom guides, follow-alongs, case studies, exclusive discounts, and more, you will find it all inside the AFK Forum. As always, be sure to like and subscribe. Leave any questions that you have down below. I hope you have a great rest of the day. And
are you struggling with your affiliate marketing business or want to take things to the next level? Allow me to introduce you to Dijs University. Dijs University is the #1 affiliate marketing training platform in the world. Whether you're a beginner or an advanced affiliate marketer, Dijs University offers you thousands of different videos with topics such as Facebook, volume, adplexity, and many more of your favorite topics. Step by step, you will learn the secret super affiliate ways to get the most out of each traffic source. Dominate each vertical with our detailed quick start guides. Are you ready to get started? Click the link in the description to sign up today.